At yan palang Christmas tree ay during Advent, a play, isang parang drama sa Garden of Eden, ginagawa sa Germany sa isang public place. Ang itinuturo ika nito ay ang pagkakalalang kay Eva at kay Adan at ang kanilang pagkakasala at ang kanilang pagkapaalis sa kanila sa halamanan ng Eden. At si Adam daw at si Eva, nung nasa paraiso, hindi totoo nasa paraiso, nasa halamanan sila ng Eden. Doon merong isang puno na ipinagbabawal. At kumain si Eva ron. Abay, yun pala ang depiction ng Christmas tree. Ano yun? Hindi naman nila niliwanag kung yun yung puno ng pagkakilala ng masama't mabuti o yun ang punong kahoy ng buhay. Walang kinalaman yun sa birthday ni Kristo eh. Ano pala yan eh? Imbento lang sa Germany. At yan, hindi na imbento sa panahon ni Kristo. Iyan pala nung Middle Ages lang.
What is wrong if the Christmas tree being used as to teach about Adam and Eve? Did not E.L.I. Soriano also teaches about kinds of wickedness? Do E.L.I. Soriano had not read all about wickedness in the Bible? Did not sometimes Bible specified such kinds of wickedness as not to be a precedent? Also, what is wrong if the Christians make say different concepts about the Christmas tree? If the tree is being used in Germany as in memory of Adam and Eve, so it's not the same tree that the Christians had, then. Do E.L.I. Soriano didn't understand some Christians used that tree for another concept, as they hang wafer on it symbolizing Eucharist. So what is bad to use representation of tree in other concept, as Christmas tree? Don't you know that the first to be worshipped are the idols, by the idolaters? So do you mean, what God had done to worship him also is bad? Did you not know the first to have king in their nations are the unbelievers? Do you mean God is bad to grant the Israel wish to have king also?
Mali pa nga ang pagkakasabi sa Catholic Encyclopedia. Their expulsion from paradise. Hindi naman paradise yung halamanan ng Eden. Wala sa Bibliang paradise yun.
E.L.I. Soriano is really a pseudo, but don't know how to use dictionary. The word paradise has many meaning, so E.L.I. Soriano must have to know of how the speaker or the writer meant his words. Surah 2 verse 35.
O ano pa? Christmas card. Christmas gift. Christmas party. Wala naman lahat sa Biblia yan mga kapatid.
E.L.I. Soriano's teachings were inspired by Lucifer. How could he say that the Christmas card, Christmas gift were not in the Bible? Is not it? Any gathering concerning Jesus is a mass for Jesus or Christ, or Christmas. So if the people's in that, giving and exchanging letters of love, and or gifts, and having feast or gathering to share the feeling of love to each and everyone, why E.L.I. Soriano is against these, isn't it? It is Lucifer's goal, not to share to each other save good things.